All right, let's get real. You click this video because you want to make money from home, right? Not maybe money or someday money. I'm talking real, actionable, get paid this week kind of money. No fluff, no wasting time. Let's dive into 6 legit ways you can start earning online today. Here's website number 1, Rev. If you can type fast and listen carefully, Rev is a no-brainer. They pay you to transcribe audio or add captions to videos. Basically, you listen to stuff and type it out. Sounds simple, right? You'll earn anywhere from 30 cents to a little over $1 per audio minute. Here's what you do. Go to Rev's website and sign up as a freelancer. Take a short test to prove you can type without making every second word a typo. Once you're in, start picking jobs that match your pace. Invest in a decent pair of headphones. You don't want to miss a word because the audio sounded like it came from 1985. Oh, and if you know another language, Rev pays more for that. Here's website number 2, Upwork. This is a freelancing goldmine. Have a skill like writing, graphic design, coding, or data entry. Someone on Upwork is willing to pay you for it. Here's how you get started. Create an Upwork profile, add a nice picture, and write a killer description of your skills. Start applying for beginner-friendly jobs. Look for clients with verified payment methods. You don't want to work for someone who thinks exposure is a currency. As you build experience, you can charge more. Think $20, $50, even $100 an hour. Yes, really. The trick? Be consistent and patient. It's not a get-rich-overnight thing, but it's 100% worth the grind. Here's website number 3, UserTesting. This one's super easy. UserTesting pays you to test websites or apps and share your honest feedback. All you need to do is navigate their site and say things like, "This button is confusing," or "Why does this page look like a maze?" Each test takes about 20 minutes, and they pay $10. Some tests even pay $30 or more for detailed reviews. Sign up on UserTesting's site. Complete a quick sample test to show you can speak your thoughts clearly. Get tests delivered to your dashboard, complete them, and get paid. And no, you don't need to be tech-savvy. If you've ever asked why this website is so slow, congrats, you're qualified. Here's website number 4, Fiverr. This is where things get fun. Fiverr lets you sell services as gigs. Are you good at graphic design, video editing, or writing resumes? Even quirky stuff like writing custom poems? Fiverr's got your back. Here's how to win on Fiverr. Sign up and create gigs. Be specific. Don't just say, "I'll write for you." Say, "I'll write you a LinkedIn profile that gets you noticed." Set a fair price. Start low to attract your first few clients, then raise your rates as you build reviews. Deliver great work. Happy clients mean more orders and more money. Go niche. Instead of saying, "I'll edit videos," try "I'll edit travel vlogs" to make them cinematic. Specific gigs get more clicks. Here's website number 5, LiveOps. If you don't mind talking to people on the phone, LiveOps might be for you. It's like a virtual call center where you help companies with customer service, tech support, or sales. Apply on LiveOps site. Pass a background check. Once approved, choose your schedule and start taking calls. You can earn between $12 and $20 an hour, and you can set your own hours. Just make sure you have a quiet space to work and a decent headset. No barking dogs or crying babies in the background, okay? Here's website number 6, Printify. Lastly, let's talk about making money while you sleep. Printify is a print-on-demand platform. You design stuff like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and when someone buys it, Printify handles the printing and shipping. Create designs. Don't worry if you're not an artist. You can use free tools like Canva. Set up an online store on Shopify or Etsy and connect it to Printify. Upload your designs and start selling. You don't need to keep inventory or deal with shipping. Just focus on creating cool designs and promoting your store. All these methods are legit and can help you earn money. But here's the catch. They work if you put in the effort. So pick one, get started, and stay consistent. Oh, and if you want to see exactly how I made $125 in just 1 hour with step-by-step instructions and proof of payment, check out my other video. It's packed with actionable tips, and I'm sharing my exact strategy. Watch it now. I'll see you there.